Good morning friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing good. I hope you're enjoying the vlogmas videos that I have been posting. Actually today's video I wanted to start a little bit earlier, but then things don't go as planned, right? While I was dropping Adi and coming back from the bus stop, one of my friends invited me to her house to have some coffee. So I just came back home, picked up Anjali, and my husband went off for work, and my lunch was half prepared. I just forgot about everything and actually wanted to have some chit chat time with my friend, and so I picked up Anjali. We went to her house and we were actually having we went to auntie's house, right? Which auntie? Tell me the auntie's name. You don't know? So Anjali was having a fun time there, eating and playing and whatnot, right? She was sitting on my lap and we were just chit-chatting about each and everything. So she gave me this. Come here. You want to say hi to them? Come. Hi. Hi. Kissy. Say good morning.
Good morning.
It's about 11:30 now. So we were there for 3 long hours. 3 hours.
No.
Yeah, you sat there for 3 hours in auntie's house.
No.
Mm-hmm.
Which auntie house?
Tell me in my ears.
Yeah.
No? Okay. You want to go play? Okay. Yeah. So my friend, she gave me this coffee mocha drink. It was so tasty. I was asking for the recipe and I'll just share that with you. But it was so tasty, oh my god. And it is so cold outside. It is freezing cold. And yeah, I have to prep the lunch a little bit more because my husband is going to come home within some time for having lunch. So I'll meet you within some time, okay? So lunch is getting ready now. The last few touches for lunch. Okay, so lunch is ready. We have ghee rice, dal, and your favorite, lady's finger.
My favorite one.
Yeah, she loves lady's finger fry. Adi loves snake god fry. Whenever, because kids love these deep fried stuffs, right? So whenever we are making for the kids, we are making for the whole family, and so I like to use my air fryer whenever I make these lady's finger fry and things like that, you know, for some healthy cooking. And she also loves ghee rice, and ghee I like to use in the winter season because ghee contains a lot of fat soluble vitamins A, D, E, K. It helps in better absorption of these vitamins, and also it has butyric acid in it. Sorry if I'm using a lot of these food technology terms, but it has a substance called butyric acid, and that helps our gut bacteria or our intestinal bacteria, and it's better for improving the immunity. So I like to use a little bit of ghee here and there for the kids' recipes, for the dal, roti or rice in the cold season. Yeah. Yeah. Andri Krishna, ghee rice.
I love ghee.
You love ghee rice? You're welcome.
Yeah.
One rice, one papadam, okay? Big spoon rice. Wow. So in this video I think we have talked a lot about cold and winter, and sometimes I feel we cannot justify ourselves how much we go through when we are not even going through many things that many other people go through. Like it is very hard for us when we come from India to a place like this, when the winter is very harsh for a few months in some places in the US, but still we are not even experiencing the real cold. Like I can't even imagine the homeless people in cities like New York and all, where they stay under the bridges. Can't imagine what they are going through in this cold weather. Cannot be justified what winter we are experiencing and how unbearable we say the winter is here. But anyway, since we are talking about the winter season, I thought of including my winter essentials in this video. So it's going to be a mixed vlog about skincare, hair care and clothes, etc. So you also let me know what are the things that you really love to use in the winter season, and I am going to start with skincare. So whenever I have some time like this in the afternoon, I like to make this scrub. I have some mashed banana, this is one overripe banana, and then here some lemon juice, egg white and some oats. So I'm going to mix all of that together. Use your clean hands for mixing and then you can apply it on your face. So after using this scrub, your skin feels a lot more tighter because there is egg white in it, and then it is really helpful for removing all the dead skin cells. So your skin feels a lot more smoother. So I use the scrub once in a while, not very frequently, but whenever I use it I find a lot of difference on my skin. And then after that I like to just moisturize my skin with the serum. It is the Accure serum. It's going to get over now, but that is the best serum that I've ever used. I have shared that with you in a couple of videos as well. After using that serum, your skin just brightens up and it feels as though your skin is soaking in some oil. So yeah, that's what I like to do. Now getting ready to make a soup recipe which we all like to have during the winter season. So for that I'm just going to saute some onion, some chopped up celery and some chopped up carrot. Now I'm going to add in the mushrooms, some salt and the Italian seasoning here. Now adding in the vegetable broth, a little bit of soy milk, then I have some cooked black beans here. I'm gonna add that and some chopped up spinach leaves. Then I'm just going to let it cook. Okay, the soup is ready. Okay, Naba, soup will catch.
Acha, come on. Acha, come. Which is this? Which is this?
ഇപ്പുറത്ത് കുറച്ച് വാമാണ് കേട്ടോ.
Acha, come. Super.
ഉണ്ടോ?
ഇതിനെ നന്നെ ചെയ്ത hug. Let's go.
How was it, Avi?
Good. Am I very nice?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Good job. How about you? A little more?
I don't need help.
You need help? Okay.
Please.
Okay, come. I'll help you.
More.
Okay, so here are the basic skincare products that I like to use during the winters. So my face wash, of course, I have shared it a million times with you all. This is the face wash that I like to use, the Shiseido brand. Be it summer, winter or any other season, this is the face wash that I always like. It works so well. and I get it always from Ulta. And for a lightweight moisturizer on my face, the Garnier is the one that I'm using, and it has a little glow to it, so it has that brightening effect to your skin. And for a thicker consistency moisturizer, I have been always on the lookout for some thicker cream other than the lotions which are very lightweight. Adi and Anjali have very dry skin, so when I use a lotion on them, it tends to like absorb very easily and the skin becomes dry again. So I have been looking, and this is the best one that I have found, and I use it before bedtime on them as well as for me. This is like a family moisturizer cream that we all use, and it is thick and it feels like there is some protection layer on your skin. So that is basically for skincare. And for hair care, I'm always switching shampoos, and this is the one that I'm using now, the Pantene one. And the reason why I'm using it is because it is this frizz control, and my hair tends to become frizzy and it always turns static, and so that's the reason why I'm using that. And during the winters, when I miss a hair wash and my hair is naturally oily, it tends to become oily very soon. So this is a dry shampoo. Where is it? Oh yeah, Not Your Mother's Clean Freak. That is a dry shampoo that I'm using. It smells so good and your scalp feels clean. And for a toner on my hair, again I use this when there is some sort of frizziness, some sort of hair that stands out. So when I use this, it tends to get some attention and tends to calm down. So this is the Wow brand, and it is paraben free, sulfate free. And yes, you cannot forget the lips. So this little small thing we cannot forget. This is the EOS brand, and we all use it, and this smells like a strawberry. So that is basically it for my skincare, hair care. What else do we need during the winter? Coming to other outerwear accessories, this is my favorite jacket which I use. So that is Nautica, and we always get jackets from the Burlington Coat Factory. And when I want to feel a little more dressier, I use this coat. So that is from the brand Wet n Seal. And when it is too freezing cold, this velvety scarf is very useful. And then for my gloves, that is one pair, and this is another pair. It's very old, but I still like to use it because you can still use your phone while wearing that. And then yeah, this is my beanie hat, and this is actually a hand warmer, but I got it along with this. So this has a little pocket out here, a pouch, and when it's too cold you can use this, keep it inside. So this is like a one-time use, and so you can open it and then keep it inside the pouch. So I used it one time and it keeps you toasty warm for the whole day. And then for the boots, I love my knee-high boots for that when it's very cold. And then this cable knit socks. So my feet usually gets very cold and I use this cable knit socks then. So that's pretty much it for today's video. If you enjoyed this winter vlog, do give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you have not, and I will see you all tomorrow.